Need to update your card details for your Tesco Mobile account? It's quick and easy to do directly within the Tesco Mobile app. This ensures uninterrupted service for both pay-as-you-go and contract plans. First, open the Tesco Mobile app on your iOS or Android device. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the My Account section, then select Billing, and finally, Payment Methods. Here you'll see an option to Update Card. Tap on this. You'll be prompted to enter your new card details, including the card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address. Make sure all information is entered correctly. The app uses secure PCI DSS compliant tokenization to protect your card data, replacing sensitive numbers with tokens. For enhanced security, two-factor authentication, 2FA via SMS or biometric verification, fingerprint or Face ID may be required. This process typically takes just 1 to 2 minutes, allowing you to manage your billing information efficiently. When updating your card details, be aware of a few important considerations. Tesco Mobile might implement a small verification charge, which is immediately reversed, or it may link you to third-party wallets like PayPal for added security. If you're a Tesco Bank customer with a Club Card-linked account, updating your card details there can automatically update them across other Tesco services. Also, keep an eye out for potential temporary app outages due to server maintenance. These are usually announced on Tesco's official forums. It's crucial to be cautious of phishing scams. Tesco Mobile provides in-app tutorials on secure payment updates to help you avoid fraudulent attempts. Remember, Tesco Mobile uses AI monitoring to block suspicious card updates, preventing potential data breaches.